Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam dagsngi. Ki pat ba snong dai stong hapo clear East Jingïaleh district lapan pawi ke jing persha ka bajur. Alor ke jing thmu ban pelong ka public hearing na benta ka project jong MS Jantia Cement Limited ki nong shong snong ringkat bat unong tray mon sobha social kila dawa badai ban pendam no ya ka public hearing na mar baki kenno badan jingïad be-aiñ ha ka jingïa thit jaka ba ka jingïa pen ken ki an jingïada jaka pat ba rulum land transfer act. Kila penpoi memorandum syuk menteri rang bakdo bat MP Shillong kat kum kejing itu. La IT ka memorandum syuk Prime Minister Narendra Modi bat syuk MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Dr. AJ Riki Sengkan. Bandawa kejing dan benta mardor jengki bor jila bat jila pedeng. La paru syuk Dr. Mukul sangma bat ba adan basa yaumun. Ya ketika memorandum na paru syuk unong yalam persyau Dr. Mukul sangma bat syuk unong yalam ke VPP ba adan mela basa yaumun. Daga ba penpau ya kejing sngokya halor kejing ya thiet jaka hajan hills daki company lani ki briu bomday ki try la reulo. Ipat ba shnong kila kli kumno ka company ni ki briu bomday ki reulum ken la banyo jaka ha ketika than. Aba ka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act kala khang persha ya kejing ya thiet jaka pat ba reulum daki briu bar jela. Umar Richardson Susyang ula IT ya ka petition sha Mikman yaki pat ba shnong dai stong kala IT ketika memorandum na ka benda kinong shong shnong na ka baong ba ka jingim pat ba ka hok halor ka jaka ber kamariang kidon ha ka jingma na ka ka project cement. Dr. Mukul sangma ka sorkar ka riban jibam bar ai jing shai haba kren shikilat pathai ko bor u Dr. Mukul sangma uloong bakum kini ki petition day ban shimkya bahan mar ba ki jingi keno kidon kanong rim ka babiang. Ka sorkar ka riban jawab ka petition bat ban penti kena ba ka jing yo justice kanwan ong Dr. Sangma ula ong ru ba kani ka jing ka jia jaka hadai stong ka jing dei baki wei pat ki kam be an jela kum ka jing yo do yong be an ber ka jing pin kan ria jaka pat ba riulu ula banjur ba ka jaka riulum amla ban thit de ki briu bom dei ki riulum rei dei tang lada ka jing thit ka jing ya kar kum ki kandon jokalan transfer act. Kinong shong shnong dai stong kila kerpar ki bor sorkar bentok kit nya ki jingyat pat ba ba keno be an bat bande da ka bating persha ki badan bentah ka jingyat thit jaka be an kila maham ru balada omle kan long kum ka jingkentat ya ka justice bat kanang penjulor ya ka hok jingki rulum halor ka jaka.
Which has confronted the state not just in the recent months, but for over a decade. And also, we have to recall the instances where various civil society organizations, political parties, including the parties who have members elected in the August House, including the opposition, have raised instances of alleged illegalities in as far as the alleged illegal coal mining and its illegal transportation and illegal sale is concerned. Now, you also have on record certain instances where certain instance of alleged illegal coal mining and its storage were flagged before the government, brought to the notice of the authorities concerned in the right earnest to draw the attention of the concerned government and also see that they take cognizance of these illegalities and act on as per the provision of the law of the land, which would have created the overall deterrence. You know, the fear of Moses, the sense of fear for the law is crucial to prevent any illegality in as far as any illegal activity by any potential perpetrator is concerned. Therefore, uh, in this modern world, in our given system of democracy, the fear for law takes place when the existing laws, which have enough teeth, are enforced in the right harness. In absence of that, it only can be interpreted that that means by seeing what is visible and by denying what is happening in respect of illegality, which the government otherwise is responsible to take cognizance of as per the law of the land, then it amounts to the predetermined strategy to adopt a modus operandi whereby, indulging in denial mode, you allow the illegality to continue. And when such illegalities are allowed to continue in perpetuity, the perpetrators of these illegal activities get more emboldened. And today, what we saw in the recent days, in the preceding months, is a complete reflection, rather an evidence, which can be considered as an, you know, proof beyond any reasonable doubt that the illegality in respect of illegal coal mining, illegal storage of illegally extracted coal, and illegal transportation of such illegally extracted coal, and their modus operandi of selling it illegally, has only grown in scales over the years. The scale of this illegality is reflected by the recent incident. It is nothing, but it's a, as I have said, it is a proof that the scale of this illegality has been allowed to grow to such an extent that today you have such an unfortunate incident which proves beyond reasonable doubt that illegality of this nature has reached this scale where you have such a huge, I must say, an incident where you have such a loss of precious lives of too many people. You don't even know actually how many people have lost their lives. Because the kind of situation that resulted in the death, that tragic exceeded the your mine tragedy, the so-called dynamite blast resulting in this mine tragedy. We are painful to see that this illegality has led to the loss of many precious lives. I take this opportunity to condole the death of those precious lives and pray for the members of the bereaved family that at this difficult time when they have such a irreparable loss inflicting upon the family, God provides them solace and fortitude. But at the same time, this is only a fallout of the illegality which was allowed to go on by the authorities in concern. On number of occasions, I have made it abundantly clear that an illegality of this scale, which is visible to every common man, cannot take place unless there is a complicity between the authorities and the perpetrators of this illegal act. That's the reason why I felt it necessary that time has come to urge upon the government that to say enough is enough. Enough is enough. And take the bull by a horn and show that you have the sincere and committed intent to really stop these illegalities, protect the interests of the people, protect the interests of the state. The government of the day has, in fact, allowed this modus operandi to continue. I have always referred this to, a well scripted modus operandi. And this modus operandi, well scripted, predictable. It is predictable. It is nothing that is unpredictable. The modus operandi, the way things are happening, the way the illegal extraction is taking place, the way the illegal storage is taking place, the way illegal transportation is taking place, the way the roads are being destroyed by the overloaded trucks who are carrying these illegally extracted coal to the designated market, and the whole illegal sale across the state. How is it not visible to anybody? It is visible for anybody. Then again, the instances of ED raids, which again discloses that there has been such a modus operandi where illegal activity was connected with illegal collection of money. It has been very uh, prominently carried by the media, both print and electronic media. So, therefore, the kind of deep rooted complicity cannot be ruled out involving people in authority and the perpetrators of this crime. And in this agonizing situation, as citizen, to see that this kind of scale of illegality resulting in this kind of huge mine treasury with loss of such a huge number of precious lives, drawing the attention of not only the people of the state but people of the whole region, people of the whole country, drawing the attention of the nation that illegality of this scale can take place in this state. What does it reflect? And what is the kind of perception it generates? It leaves behind, you know, a kind of block which cannot be erased so easily in the name and fame and reputation of this beautiful state which we have collectively built together over the decades.